Okay, guys, it's Carrie Lynn here for SheSave.com. We're back in Las Vegas. We are back at the Flamingo Hotel and Casino. I'm going to give you a look at this room style, which is a little bit different than the others that I've shared. I will link to the others below, but this is a 2-queen strip view room in the Habitat Tower, which we have not stayed in before. Kind of a basic room, has all of the things that you would expect. Nice and roomy, has the safe, has the refrigerator. Definitely, though, again, more of a basic room. This room specifically is on the 26th floor, room 26126. Very clean. It has that fun flamingo vibe, spacious bathroom, great shower, all the things. Does feel a little bit dated, and if you've ever stayed at the Flamingo, it is starting to feel a little bit dated. The elevators are a bit glitchy, but it's a great casino, great staff. All of that is great. Just kind of a little bit more of a normal room. It does the job, though. I would say probably the best thing about this room is the view. It's a strip view. Again, not the best strip view, but it does have all the lights and fun Vegas features. Can't quite see the Bellagio, but you have a nice look out at Caesars, which is a huge property if you've never looked at it closely, which I was able to do from this view. Just huge. And you kind of have access to a lot of other things down on this end of the strip, the Linq, in and out, the little kind of zip line area there with all of the dining, very close to a lot of other properties. Here's a peek out the window during the day. It's a nice area, great option. Rooms, nothing super special, but definitely one of the more affordable options if you come to Vegas. Make sure to let me know if you have any questions. This is Carrie Lynn for SheSave.com.